opens. 2 against 3. Pass to Arsaga. Arsaga sa line reverse. Kumain ka, Indaya. 2 points. Now on a contact. Almoite. Layup is good for Lods Almoite. Good for 3 points. Indaya 2 points. Chua, fakes, bigay sa ilalim. Mamamama sa ilalim, isinawsaw pa sa suga, 2 points. Almoite on the corner, Karabata is open, outside Jay, Karabata 3 points. Here's number 20. Arsaga zigzagging his way outside for 3 points. Velasquez, 6 to shoot. Aguilar is open. Yes, sir. 2 points. Alvarez from downtown. Alvarez, bullseye. Villafuerte outside. Kaya boys open. Montesillo floats. Montesillo connects for 2 points. Arsaga cross court, Suelo fake, Suelo jumper, Suelo connects for 2 points. 15 seconds. 3 against 2. Macolar is open. Macolar connects for 2. Last 8 seconds.
Welcome to my channel.
Before we start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on my latest uploads. Let's start.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Basketballers.
Good for 2 points, Team Hayahan. There's number 9, the team captain of Rekdum, Kuya Lods of pass to Karabata. 10 to shoot, there's number 8, Karabata fake, Karabata traveling violation. Arsaga jersey number 20. Chua, bigay sa ilalim, too strong, out of bounds. Turnover for Team Hayahan. Almoite on the corner, Karabata is open, outside Jay, Karabata 3 points. Karabata. Outside jumper no good, but there is a foul. Goal against Arsaga. First throw, no good.
Ano ko lang ng tindahan?
No good for Arsaga on. Indaya jersey number 21, Damasunan. Pass for Aguilar. Aguilar fade. Aguilar fading away. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 11, Chua. Out of bounds. 26 seconds remaining. Chua outside to number 20. Cross court pass. Outside Jay. No good. Walang nahagip. Yung 3-pointer na yan mula sa team ng Hayahay. Here comes Almoite, jersey number 9 for Rekdum. Karabata fakes, Karabata reloads, no good. Rebound Simon Montesillo. Float, Arsaga no good. Copy ka ng bola. Ball secured by Team Hayahay. Here comes Shua on top of the key. Pass number 20. Last 8 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 20 outside. Another 3-pointer. Lumalagapak yung ating salamin, walang grado para dito sa Team Hayahay. Here comes the team captain Almoite. Aguilar all the way! And Aguilar will go to the 4.5 middle line. Aguilar, first throw is good. Second throw, Aguilar, no good. Karabatan na ko po, pangalawang na yan, Karabata. Last 3 minutes remaining. Arsaga fakes, pass to Montes, Silas Simon, no good. Rebound secured by Aguilar, pass to number 31, Karabata. Kuya Lord, sabigay kay Masunan, Indaya po bakula pa rin, Arwa Indaya, wala pa rin, ngunit may matatawagan. Second. Arsaga cross court, Suelo fake, Suelo jumper, Suelo connects for 2 points. Masulman, Indaya again, ako po Indaya. Anong ginagawa mo sir? Karabata pass to Indaya, babawi. Indaya pass to Aguilar, jump it Aguilar, float, no good. Another one, Indaya, wala pa rin. There's number 20. Arsaga zigzagging his way outside for 3 points. Team Hayahay, 1 minute and 45 remaining. Aguilar on the right side. Pass to the team captain, there's number 9. Kuya Logs, Almoite. 10 seconds shoot, Karabata picks. Karabata! Naku po! Itong Karabata at Indaya, nagkapalitan na ng supply. There's number 9, Almoite. Pass to Aguilar, 10 to shoot, Aguilar fakes. Aguilar on the strong side, 5 to shoot. Tabakan, naku po, turnover 4. Chua, fakes, bigay sa ilalim. Mamamama sa ilalim, isinawsaw pa sa suka, 2 points for jersey number 24. Villafuerte connects for 2 points, Almoite float game, no good. Rebound secured by Chua, here comes Hayahay on the offense. 2 against 3. Pass to Arsaga. Arsaga sa line reverse. Kumain ka, Indaya. 2 points for Arsaga. Aguilar on the weak side. Jumper. Aguilar no good. Put down is good for number 31, Karabata. Last 27 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. 11-6. Cross court out of bounds. Same ball. Last time. Jumper, no good. Last 15 seconds. Shot clock is off. Intercepted by Karabata. No good. Last 5 seconds. Outside jumper. And the end of the first quarter. Score mo natin. 11 against 6 in favor of Team Hayahay. Rectum against Hayahay. Here we go. There's the number 9. You guys see that? Daniel Velasquez is fouled. First throw, no good. Second throw is good. Ganito kaya mo. Number 23. Yabo outside to Arsaga. Arsaga intercepted by Mac J. McLaur. Mac Jazz pass to Almoite. Ladies no good. Offensive rebound for Mac Jazz. Back to Doris. Intercepted with jersey number 20. Here comes jersey number 20. Number 20 all the way. Takbo. Kinagawa ng ball back. Almoite. Layup is good for Lods Almoite. 11. Kaya all the way, short, rebound Aguilar. Pass to Macolor. 6 minutes remaining on the second quarter. Almoite, pass to Aguilar. Aguilar to Velasquez. Velasquez open, jumper, no good. Rebound secured by Chua. Pass to Arsaga. Arsaga PP hit, Arsaga steps back. Intercepted by number 29. Andre Di Guzman. De Guzman, ang pass to J. Macolor, in and out. Rebound secured by Villaferte. Pass break is secured by Chua. Pass to Habares. Villaferte. Chua is open. Outside J. Yes, sir. 3 points.
14,
De Guzman, pass to Aguilar.
14-9.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Velasquez. 6 to shoot. Aguilar is open. Yes, sir. 2 points. 14-11. Chua fakes. Naku po. Traveling violation. Thunder. There's number 0, Macolor. Pass to number 9. Almoite fires away. No good. There's number 21. Alvarez. Pass to Arzaga. Cayabo, pass to Villaferte sa ilalim. Fakes. No good, but there is a foul called. Number 24. First row is good for 19 against 11. Second row is good. 2 out of 2 for jersey number 16 against 11. Jersey number 29. Because man, bigay sa ilalim. Aguilar stop under the basket outside J. Almoite no good. Offensive board secured by jersey number 29. Biggest man. 10 to shoot. Almoite pass to Aguilar. Big behind Aguilar. Yes sir. Aguilar connects. Arzaga. Corner. Alvarez fakes. Steps back. Pass to Arzaga. Outside number 33. Jumper. Cayabo. High arcing 3-pointer. Too short of Cayabo. Rebound secured by Mac J. Pass is intercepted but recovered by just number 29. Here comes De Guzman. De Guzman all the way. No good. Good defense coming from Cayabo. Tapikan ng bola. Cayabo secures the ball. Cayabo behind the back. Alvarez. Bigay sa ilalim. Arzaga. Double-teamed. Pass is intercepted. Alvarez. Outside jumper. Cayabo. Too strong. Rebound secured by De Guzman. De Guzman behind the back, losing control of the basketball. Pass break, Villaferte is open. Villaferte 2 points. Good for 3 points. Here comes Macolor. Macolor to Almoite. Almoite catch and shoot. In and out. Out of bounds. Alvarez. Pass to Arzaga. Open. Fakes. Pass to Cayabo. Cayabo floats. Cayabo no good. Offensive board by Cayabo. Turn around. Floats. Once again supply by Cayabo. Rebound secured by Kuya Darren Velasquez. Pass to Kuya Lods. Pass to Macolor. Yes sir. Macolor 2 points. Last 38 seconds. Arzaga pass to Villaferte short. Rebound secured by Macjaz. Pass to Almoite. Almoite. All the way to the back. Almoite in and out once again. Last 23 seconds. Shot clock is off. Chua. Pass to Cayabo. Cayabo behind the back. Intercepted by Habares. Last 15 seconds. 3 against 2. Macolor is open. Macolor connects for 2. Last 8 seconds. Last 5. 3 seconds. Cayabo for 3. And that's the end of the second quarter. Score nothing. Deadlock at 21 points. Ball position for Team Hayay. Habares is open. Habares fires away. In and out for Habares. Rebound secured by De Guzman. De Guzman pass to Macolor. Here comes Macolor. Pass to Velasquez. Traveling violation. 1 points for both teams. Arsaga pass to Mayabo. Mayabo mid-range short. Offensive board secured by Mayabo. Habares is open. Habares fires away. Too strong for Habares. Hardbound. Macolor pass to Almoite. Indaya. Velasquez floats. Short for Velasquez. Rebound secured by Indaya. Outside to De Guzman. De Guzman zigzagging. De Guzman outside. Macolor. Pass to Almoite. Open. Fires away. No good. Okay. Rebound secured by Montecillo. Pass break to Mayabo. Intercepted by Almoite. Pass to number 06. Velasquez. Velasquez looking for his teammates. Pass to jersey number 9. The team captain. Almoite floats. Almoite connects for 2 points. Well, Arsaga pass to Chua. Chua, diretso break. No good. Traveling violation call against jersey number 11. It's fast break. Almoite under the basket. Outside to De Guzman. De Guzman fakes. De Guzman back to Almoite. Almoite under the basket and he is fouled. First stroke, good. No good for jersey number 9. Second throw is good for jersey number 9. Ball is intercepted by number 29. Pass break to Rhodes. Here comes Almoite against 3 pink shirts. Almoite babaka. Almoite connects once again. Almoite taking over in the 3rd quarter. Here comes jersey number 20. Pass to Habares. Chua. Kaya back to Habares. Habares. No good. Patay ang Botege. Rebound spread by jersey number 9. Pass to Macjas. Timeout. Kaya high. 26-28 against 21 rather. 7 points lead for Regnum. First throw, no good for Villaferte. Second free throw is good. No basket, nullified basket. Almoite fakes. Almoite pass to Macolor, intercepted. Pass break. Secured by Chua. Long pass to Mayabo. Cayabo all the way. Layup is good for Cayabo. 2 points. Third period. Almoite pass to Carabata. Carabata fakes. Carabata is fouled. Indaya loses the ball. And there is a reaching foul by meter line. Indaya first throw. Tingnan natin. Nako po. Mawa ka. No good for Indaya. Second free throw for Indaya. Final lead. 1 point for Indaya. 23. Villaferte. Pass to Montecillo. Outside pass to Chua. Corner to Mayabo. 8 to shoot. Villaferte running shot. Yes sir. Andre De Guzman. Corner to Macolor. McJ Macolor. McJ, tira mo na yan. Indaya dadaktak. Lods no good. Offensive board under 1. Lods is fouled. And we'll go to the line for... Warning for penalty, Team Hayahay. 2 minutes remaining. Exactly 2 minutes remaining. Second throw is good. 31-25. Balik sa kalahating dosena ang abante nitong Team Regnum. Outside jumper. Chua! Boom! De Guzman. Outside. Carabata babawi. Carabata no good. Rebound secured by Cayabo. Here comes Team Hayahay on the offense. Cayabo against everyone, losing control. Out of bounds. Arsaga is open. Pass to Montesillo, fakes. Montesillo wawas-iwas. Losing control of the Almoite. Almoite sa ilalim. Yes sir, quick 2 for Almoite. 33 against 28. Mabalik sa 5 puntos. There's number 11, Chua, calling for screen. Pass to Villafuerte. Villafuerte time to shoot. Arsaga corner on the right side, in and out. Indaya secures the board. Rebound secured by jersey number 9. Almoite all the way. Intercept, good defense. Arsaga losing control. Ball secured by Chua, but there is a foul. 43. Chua. Diretso side step, pass to Montesillo, in and out. Rebound secured by Carabata. Carabata pass break to McJ, intercepted by Cayabo. Last 38. Here comes jersey number 20, Arsaga. Arsaga bigay sa gitna. Cayabo fakes. Cayabo jumper. Too strong. Rebound to Guzman. Last 20 seconds. De Guzman backs to McJ. McLean. 2 points. Last 5. Layup is good! Good for 2 points. Basket po, basket. 2 seconds pa po. Jersey number 9, Almoite, long 3 from way downtown. Triple! 14-28, lumaban mo sa isang dosena. Kaya mo babarehan, kaya mo for 3. Yes sir! Ito nitong Almoite. Here comes Almoite on top of the key, same spot. Almoite pass to jersey number 8, Aguilar. Aguilar back to Almoite. Almoite once again for 3. Not this time for jersey number 20 pass to Habares. Back to number 20. Number 20 looking for his teammates. Habares fakes. Back to number 20 Arsaga. Back to Habares. Habares fires away. No good. Too strong. Rebound secured by the muscle man Indaya. 7 minutes remaining. Velasquez outside to Almoite. Corner to Aguilar. Open. Fires away. Big Kabra. Tabangga. Yes sir. 2 points. Jersey number 24, Villafuerte. Arsaga outside, Alvarez, corner, Cayabo, jumper, 3-pointer, Cayabo too strong. Rebound secured by Indaya. Here comes Christian Indaya, pass to Naku, masyadong malakas. Out of bounds. Indaya 2 points. Habares from downtown. Habares bullseye. And 30. Tabangay on the baseline. No good. Rebound secured by Cayabo. Cayabo behind the back. Here comes Hayahay. 2 against 2. Cayabo winas the Washington defensive pass. Is intercepted but foul. Goal against wearing jersey number. Villafuerte outside, Cayabo is open. Montesillo close. Montesillo connects for 2 points. Pabasa wala ang abante nitong Team Regnum. Here comes Almoite. Pass to Tabangay. Tabangay zigzagging behind the back pass. Intercepted by pink shirts. Alvarez behind the back. Losing control of the ball. Velasquez. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar, sabi niya, relax lang mga kaibigan. Pass to Velasquez, pinilit, intercepted, recovered by Aguilar. Aguilar, pinasa kay Tabangay. Tabangay bigay sa lalim. Indaya losing control. Tabangay recovers no good. Rebound secured by Arsaga. Long pass to Cayabo. 1-1 against Lodz. 2 against 1. Arsaga all the way. 2 points. Time out. Right to Malay. Pass to De Guzman. Andrin for 3. No good. Rebound secured by Cayabo. Cayabo with the ball, pass to Villafuerte. Villafuerte guarded by 2. Villafuerte guarded by everyone. Villafuerte gets a lot in Montesillo. Too strong. Rebound secured by Velasquez. Macolor. Macolor all the way. No good. Rebound secured by Cayabo. Pass to Villafuerte. Long pass to jersey number Arsaga. Arsaga all the way to the basket. No good. Well defended by Velasquez. Andrin De Guzman. Pass to Velasquez, behind the back, intercepted. But ball is secured by Almoite. Macolor, step back, Almoite is open, fires away for 3. In and out. Velasquez on the follow through, yes sir, 2 points for Velasquez. Last 3 minutes and 5. De Guzman, lay up, too strong, put back by McJay, no good. Rebound secured by Arsaga, pass to Chua. Chua pass to Mayabo. Mayabo is open, pass to Chua. Bigay sa ilalim, Villaferte, denied by Velasquez. Villaferte, another denial by Velasquez. There is a foul. Villaferte. First throw, short for Villaferte. 8 points lead for Regnum last 2 minutes and 39. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Second throw, no good. Rebound De Guzman, pass to Macolor. Macolor, long pass, Almoite. Yes sir, easy basket for Lutz Almoite. Lead is back to 10 points. Villaferte, lay up. Naku po, wala pa rin. Rebound secured by De Guzman. 4 against 1. De Guzman, pass to Chess Macolor. Aray ko po. Aray ka. Aray ko. Alvarez, open. Alvarez. Bam! No good. Rebound secured by Velasquez. Pass to Macolor. 3-in-1. Palawan. No good by Aguilar. Last 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes. Chua is open. Chua for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Last 1 minute and 48 seconds. 48-41. De Guzman. Side step. De Guzman. Layup. Naku po. Walang tinamaan yung De Guzman. But Aguilar is under the basket for the follow through. No good. Seconds to be. Second throw is good. 49-41. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. Chua. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez on the corner to Mayabo. Back to Chua. Intercepted by Almoite. Here comes Lodge Almoite. Macolor. Layup is good. And 1 for Jazz Macolor. Bonus free throw for jersey number 0, Jazz Macolor. Jazz, yes sir. 41. Chua, pass to Mayabo. Back to Chua. Losing control of that basketball. Here comes Regnum. With a chance to extend their lead. Double team intercepted by Alvarez. Alvarez pass to Arsaga. 2 against 1. Arsaga side step, reverse. Naku po, talagang reverse. Chua is open. Fires for 3. Yes sir. Score natin is 44-52, last 56 seconds. 14 on the shot clock, 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Aray ka. Aray ka. 2 points. 46-52, last 35 seconds. Ano 10 to shoot. Agatin mo, agatin. Last 6 seconds on the shot clock. McJay, no good. Last 15 seconds. 2 points. Yes. Last 12 seconds. Apat lang po. 52-48. Kagatin. Foul. Kagatin. Uy, sayang. Out of bounds. Last 5 seconds. Ring up. Shot. Outside jumper, short. And that's the end of the ball game. Final score, 52-48. Congratulations, Team Regnum.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Basketballers.